Hey again, what I want to do in this video, after the successful authentication, I want to save the user info here in the database so I could start working with it. So what I want to do, I want whenever any user log in with his phone number, I will save his phone number here. So the process is not so complex. First of all, let me just go to the tools, Firebase, and make sure from this one, select the database part and update. Add cloud. It is Firebase. Is this Firebase database? Wait a second. This is storage. Sorry. Have to look for the database. Where is the database? Should be real-time database. Save, retrieve data. Add, accept. Will take some time until he will complete everything for us. So this process is just for configure our project to be able to use Firebase database. So let you wait. Here we go. After seconds, he was able to authenticate us. So what I will do, just go to the login. So now here in the login, after the user put his phone number, I save it. I just need to do save the information in the Firebase database. So you know how to save information in the Firebase database. You just create an instance from the database and bam, you should be all set. So I could define here val name it m database. Instance from the database should be instance of Firebase database, this one, Firebase database dot get instance dot init or dot references. Then now I have reference from the database instance. I could just save that instance. It's better to do it here, like save to database. Here, get instance, then say, hey, in the database, I want you to create node, name this node users, and this way name it users. Inside users, add a child that have my phone number, which is whatever the phone number here. Okay, whatever the phone number here. For that child, I want you also to add a child, name it request, and you will understand later on what this child means. And give it any value. So give it value, set value. I will give it the current data time. So the idea of this one is just help me to know who did request for my location or whatever. So I will save here my current data time. So to get data time, I would say get data this way. Get data time. I say val diff will be equal simple. Will be equal simple data format. This way should take one year simple data format. Then should take 4 years, month, day, hour, minute, second. Okay, just simple data format. Then you could define date. Say, hey, val date will be equal whatever you have in the current date. That's cool to have this one. Then hey, just format it. Then here save value, say df dot format for whatever date you have. Just saving the current date. So always we have to able to we want to update this one, but this one need to be changed to string. So make sure to say hey to string and try to avoid any errors. So whenever a user login, I will create node for him and I should be okay. So let me save and make sure when someone just log in, I will be able to create node for him to have child for requests. Here we go. He just asked me for my username, so I would say my phone number 58. I would just go here and say 585-957-2732. Register my phone number, please. See here, create node for me. This node name it users, and that users he had my phone number and he had request this value. That's what I want. Yeah, so that's great. So let me go to the next video and try to add my people who follow me or who want to get my updates or whatever. So let's continue.